Good morning, children. Today is 2nd March. Now, thought of the week is, if you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your path. Children, you know we have already started chapter 14 in earlier part, and in the previous slide we have seen simple interest, amount, some formulas, and on the basis of those formulas we have calculated some examples also. Today we will see the formula for compound interest. So, and the application of the formula for compound interest. The formula for amount by compound interest is very useful to solve the problems in other fields related to our practical life. For example, increase in the population. This is the example of practical life. The reduction in the value of vehicle or machine. This is also an example of practical life. If any article is sold after using it for some time, its value reduces as compared to its cost price. This reduction in price is called depreciation. If you use any article for some time and if you wish to sold it, so naturally its value reduces, then this reduction in price is called as depreciation. In practical life we come across two types of calculation. In some cases there is increase in the value as time progresses. In other cases value decreases. When time progresses, it increases, the value gets increases, and in other cases the value decreases. Then the depreciation takes place by a specific rate for a specific time. For example, every year price of machine reduces by a definite percentage. To find the reduced price, rate of depreciation should be known. If the price is reduced, the rate of depreciation should be known. In such case, the value of the article decreases. When price is reduced, the value of article decreases. So, the rate of depreciation R, it should be taken as negative. That is, R is negative. Then, let us see one example or some examples based on this topic. Example 1. The population of a city increases at compounding rate of 8% per year. Find the population in the year 2012 if population in the year 2010 was 2,50,000. So P is given, population in the year 2010 is given as 2,50,000, and A is what? A is the population in the year 2012 that we have to calculate, and R is rate of interest of population per year, that is given as 8%, and N is what? N is 2 years. So A means population in the year 2012, that is population after 2 years we have to calculate. So let us take the formula. Amount is equal to A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Substituting the value of P is 2,50,000 into 1 into R means 8%, that is 8 upon 100, and N is 2, so it's square. Now 2,50,000 is multiplied with, here 1 into 100 is 100, 100 plus 8 is 108, so 108 upon 100, and it's square. So multiply it. 2,50,000 is multiplied with 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. So the value comes as 2,91,600. This is the population. In the year 2012, the population of the city was 2,91,600. In this way, we can calculate the amount. Now, next example. Second example. Rehana purchased a scooter in the year 2015 for rupees 60,000. If its value falls by 20% every year, so the price decreases. The value falls by 20% every year. What will be the price of scooter after 2 years? So naturally R is taken as negative here. 20% it falls, so R will be negative. So P is equal to rupees 60,000. That is the amount of scooter. Amount A is equal to amount obtained after 2 years, and R is what? Rate of depreciation, which is equal to what? 20%. So depreciation means minus value. And N is equal to what? 2 years. So formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Here R we will take negative value. So 60,000 into 1 plus R is negative, that is minus 20 upon 100. Rate of depreciation is 20%, so minus 20 we will take upon 100. It's square because N is 2. Now 21s are and 25s are 100. So 1 upon 5. So 60,000 is multiplied with 1 minus 1 upon 5. Why minus? Because minus 20 is given. That minus and this plus, if multiplied, the sign is negative here. It's square. Now do the cross multiplication. 5 ones are 5 minus 1, that is 4 upon 5. So 60,000 is multiplied with 4 upon 5 and its square. That is equal to 60,000 multiplied by 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. So the final answer is 38,400 rupees is the amount obtained after 2 years. So what will be the price of the scooter after 2 years? After 2 years the price will be rupees 38,400. So in this way example 2 is also over. Okay. Now example 3. The amount of a certain principal is rupees 6,655 in 3 years compounded annually at the rate of 10% per annum. Find the principal. Here what is given? Amount is given as 6,655. R, that is rate of interest, is given as 10% per annum, and N is given as 3 years. So use the formula. Now amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N, and we have to calculate principal, that is P. Substitute the value of A now. 6,655 is equal to P into 1 plus R means what? 10 PCPA. This is 10 upon 100 to the power 3. 3 is what? N. Then here P into, now here do the cross multiplication. 100 ones are 100 plus 10 is 110 upon 100 and its cube. So put up the value now again. 6,655 is equal to P into, here 110 get cancelled, so 11 upon 10 we have and its cube. So 6,655 is equal to P into 11 cube upon 10 cube, because if we take out the bracket, so the power will be for each number, 11 cube upon 10 cube. So what will be P from this calculation? P is equal to what? 6,655 into 10 cube. This will be the cross multiplication. And upon what? 11 cube means 11 into 11 into 11. So it will be what? 5 into 10 cube. After doing the cancellation with 11, you will have 5. 5 into 10 cube, that is 5,000. Then, therefore, the principal was rupees 5,000. In this way, third example is also over. Now see fourth example. Example 4. Find the number of years for which the compound interest of rupees 9,000 is rupees 1,890 at the rate of 10% per annum. Here R is given as 10%, P is given as 9,000 and compound interest is given as 1,890. So amount is equal to which formula we will use? A is equal to P plus I. You know this formula, earlier also we have used. So P is 9,000 and I, interest, is given as 1,890. So the amount will be what? Total amount is 10,890. Now to find compound interest, what will be the formula for amount? This is the formula for amount to find the interest when interest is used. Okay. Now here this is the formula for compound interest. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Now amount we have calculated just now, 10,890 is equal to what is P? P is principal amount, that is 9,000 into 1 plus R upon 100. R is what? 10% per annum. So 10 upon 100 and N is not given. So we will calculate N. Now here 9,000 we will divide. 10,890 is divided by 9,000. It is equal to what? Here do the cross multiplication. 1 into 100 plus 10, that is 110 upon 100. Then 110 get cancelled. So what we have then? 11 upon 10 to the power N. Therefore 11 upon 10 to the power N will be equal to what? 10,890 upon 9,000. So after doing the cancellation of 110 from these two terms, what we'll have? 1089 upon 900. So here 1089 is equal to, here 121 upon 100. When you cancel it by 9, you will get 121 upon 100, and this will be equal to what? 11 upon 10 to the power n. So this means if you will take the square of 121, square root of 121, what will be the value? 11, and 100 is the square of which number? 10, so it's square. Now 11 upon 10 to the power n. Here also 11 upon 10 to the power 2. So what will be the value of n? If you compare these two terms, n will be equal to 2 years. Therefore, compound interest is for 2 years. Find the number of years it is given in the question. Therefore, compound interest is for 2 years. So, after the fourth example, what we'll see? Here, after fourth example, we will see practice set 14.2 in the next part. Okay? Till then, complete the work.